Hello children, today we are going to learn the properties of magnetic lines of force. The first one is magnetic lines of force are continuous curves. Look at the bar magnet, you have drawn the magnetic lines of force around it. You can see that magnetic lines of force start at North Pole and ends at the South Pole. Outside the bar magnet, but inside the bar magnet it extends from south to the north. That's why we say that the magnetic lines of force are continuous curve. Look at the other diagram, electric lines of force. They always start from positive charge and terminate at the negative charge. They are not continuous curve like the magnetic lines of force. Even though they look similar, but electric lines of force are not continuous. Coming to the second property, the tangent, if you want to find the direction of magnetic field at any point, what you have to do, you have to draw the tangent. The tangent gives the direction of magnetic field line at that point. The tangent to the magnetic line of force at any point gives the direction of magnetic field at that point. Right? Now we will go to the third property. The third property is magnetic lines of force never intersect. Now you look at this diagram, children. You can see the magnetic lines of force are these curves. It looks parallel, right? You know that parallel lines will never intersect. So that's why we say that magnetic lines of force never intersect. Now, in the worst case, you imagine that two lines, magnetic lines of force have intersected at the point P. Now, if you keep the magnetic needle, compass needle at the intersecting point P, in which direction it is going to align? It cannot align simultaneously. It cannot align in both the direction, right? It is not even possible. That's why we say that magnetic lines of force never intersect. Got it, children? ஒரே நேரத்தில் அந்த மேக்னெட்டிக் நீடில் ரெண்டு டைரக்ஷனையும் காமிக்க முடியாது, ஏன்னா அது பாசிபிள் கிடையாது, ரைட்? ஸோ வாட் வில் நவ் கம்மிங் பேக் டு த ஃபோர்த் பாயிண்ட், we will see the fourth point. Magnetic field is strong where the magnetic field lines are crowd and weak where the magnetic lines thin out. You look at the first diagram, you can see in a particular area more lines are crossing through that area. The lines of force are crowded. So in that case, the magnetic field is stronger. In the second case, in the given area, only few lines are passing. So that magnetic field is weaker in that case. Crowded the line, stronger the magnetic field. Got it, children? Now we'll quickly recapture all the points. Magnetic lines of force are continuous curve. And the second point is the tangent to the magnetic lines of force at any point, it gives the direction of magnetic field at that point. And the third point is magnetic lines of force never intersect. And then the fourth point is magnetic field is stronger when the lines are crowded, and magnetic field is weak when the lines thin out. Got it? Thank you, children.